In this video, I want to show you a strategy that's been helping me grow my trading account over the past 2 months. I started with a small deposit of just $200, and here's the result I was able to achieve. Now, for some of you, that might not seem like a big amount, but that's not the point. What matters is that this strategy works, and it's perfect for beginners with little to no experience. So let me show you how I use it in my day-to-day trading. I start my work by setting up my account. The first thing, I switch in a chart type candles, time frame 30 seconds. I go to the indicator section and choose ADX and SMA. In ADX settings, I change smoothing to 10, the range and change to 5, and then style settings, I see the line and change the color. Okay, now I go to the SMA indicator settings, change fast EMA period to 10, slow EMA period to 20, signal SMA period to 10. I will change the color and histogram to blue.
1 minute of your time. I want to remind you about my Telegram channel where I share educational materials, write useful articles about trading, provide news reviews, and share my recommendations in the form of signals. You can also join my team. Right now, we already have 350 people. These traders came to me with minimal experience and got the chance to earn consistently. Become part of my team today. Just message me privately saying you want to join us. And of course, for all the members of our team and all subscribers to my Telegram and YouTube channels, a free trading bot is available. The link will be in the description below this video. You can also find instructions on how to use it on my YouTube channel.
With the help of the ADX line, I quickly found an interesting situation and I opened my first trade. The trade time is 5 minutes, amount 350. This will be buy trade, so I press the green button. Let me explain to you how to analyze this. Like I said, I found a situation by using the ADX line, and I'm not lying. Yeah, friends, it's real. I was currently trying different currency pairs and saw this signal. The ADX line processes the blue secondary line. Also, the histogram opens new candles that are going up, and each new candle is bigger than the previous one. Look at this. These two details are very easy to notice, and with their help, I understand in which direction I will open a trade. The line and the candles are going upwards, so it's a buy trade. But if you see the histogram is falling, for example, and the line is going down, then open a sell trade. I think it's a clear here. Okay, the next important detail is the behavior of the ADX line before the crossover point. Look at the line for the last 5 minutes. I see an arc. Yeah, friends, this line literally looks like an arc before the crossover. It's a long price drop, and it's a very, very good signal for me. Just remember what it looks like. If you see something like that, you found a good signal. It's not always going to look that pretty, but I think you get a point. Also, always look at a candle pattern and what has happened in the last 30 minutes. Strategies for market correction. So if you don't see a fall or a rise, it's better to look for something else. Yeah, my friends, this trade is profitable. $300 is net. I found a very good sell signal. It's very cool that you can see this example. I literally found an inverted signal. Everything works so the same logic, but now it's a sell. Okay, I pressed the red button to open a trade and I'm waiting for the result. I'm not going to explain it all again. ADX line crossed and falling down. Histogram opens candlesticks lower. Line looks like an arc. Candles pattern looks very interesting. Yeah, but I took this trade for a reason. Yeah, it looks good, my friends. It's perfect for this strategy, but there's one detail that may prevent me from making a profit, and maybe this trade will be unprofitable. I'm talking about a trend. Yeah, friends, this strategy is not trend friendly. So if you see that the currency there has not made a correction in the last few hours, it's better to miss such signals. This currency there has been rising upwards for several hours, as you can see, and I don't see any correction, so this could be a fake. It's better to look at the signals that have been repeated in the past, and you'll have a better chance to make a profit. Remember this. As you can see, there have been several corrections in the last 2 hours. Also, I see a good signal right now, so let's try to work here. Okay, now I want to give you a few rules to help you understand this strategy better. First of all, never open a trade if the ADX lines have not crossed it. It's a mistake, and you can lose because of that. Just don't do it, my friends. Okay, second, don't open a trade if it's been more than 5 minutes after the crossing. It's very late and you can lose too. The trade rule is don't try to will work fast. Yeah, friends, 5 minutes is the extra time for a trade, and it's the best option for this setting. So if you choose 1 minute, for example, you can lose more often. Don't break these rules, and your results will already be better. The fourth rule is experience. Yeah, if you have already 2 trades and we're losing, it doesn't mean that the strategy doesn't work. In that strategy, the average profitability statistic is 70%. So out of 10 signals, 6 or 7 will be profitable and the rest may be losing. It's absolutely normal. I don't think the strategy will make you rich in one day. The setup really helps me to find good signals, but I spend a lot of work to find good entry points and situations. So practice this at least 1 hour a day, and in a week, you will see real results. I don't mind if you add your own indicators or experience to the strategy. It can get better, and I will be glad if you share in the comments. This is a good method to start trading, but if you're an experienced, I think you can improve it. Yeah, my friends, look at my balance. This is a good trading session. I had growing my account very well, and now I will pause it. And don't forget to drop a like if you found this video helpful, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Telegram. You'll find the link to my contact in the description below. See you soon.